Today I want to show you how you can make money online by viewing advertisements. No, this is not a scam. This is 100% legit and it costs you $0. That's right. It's not going to cost you any money. In fact, what you're going to be using, you might find very beneficial for your day-to-day. And on top of that, I will show you, if you watch till the end of this video, how I was able to generate over 21 referrals on this small channel. All right, so let's get straight into it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Low Key, back bringing you another video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm bringing you content on cryptocurrency and personal finance. Yes, you can make money by simply viewing advertisements. And what is this product? I don't actually want to waste any time. I want to get straight into it. This is actually something called Brave browser. It is a web browser. And I know it could kind of get annoying thinking about switching over from one web browser to another, but I'm telling you, I actually did this and I feel a lot more comfortable, and here's why. It is because out the box, Brave browser actually blocks ads and trackers. Yes, if I open another tab right here, you will see 69,163 ads and trackers blocked. And you can see that I've actually saved time as well, which is not really that big of a deal. But when you think about it, all these advertisements that are loading up on these web browser pages, they cost data, which is actually hurting your pockets in the long run. And on top of that, it significantly slows down your web browser. You might not notice it, but here and there when things are just taking too long, you could kind of get frustrated. It's probably because of an ad. And this is blocking ads and trackers. I mean, trackers? That just makes me feel completely uncomfortable about going back to other browsers like Chrome. And the good thing about this is that it's actually built on something called Chromium, which is like this open source code to build out these web browsers. I'm not going to get into those details, but it's very similar to Chrome. So it's built on the same foundation as Chrome. And in fact, you can actually go to your settings. You can go to like your bookmarks and import bookmarks and settings right here. This made things so much easier for me. All I had to do was just, hit either Safari or my Chrome, and I was able to actually import all my bookmarks and things of that nature. So it was just kind of like a really easy transition, and just not seeing advertisements is just, it's wonderful. Not having to see advertisements thrown in your face all the time is great. But this is kind of redundant. How does this make sense? How can you make money? Right? How do you make money using this browser that's blocking advertisements if you're supposed to be getting paid to watch advertisements? Well, basically what they do is they have, and we can go over here to the page. I think this page might explain it a little bit. So basically what they do is they let you opt in to view ads. If an example pops up while we are doing this video, I will show you exactly how it works. So no example popped up, but one did happen a little while after. You could see that little ad opportunity came up. It's basically an advertisement that you can choose to view if you want to, and you will get rewarded in basic attention token just for looking at it. So you click it, view the advertisement, and just like that, you earn rewards. You earned actual money. But you can opt in to view ads, and what's going to happen is basically a little small banner is going to appear if you're opted in, and you can just click view and you will look at the advertisement and get rewarded in something called basic attention token, which is a native cryptocurrency to this browser. Yes, I know it's cryptocurrency. Again, all I talk about is crypto for the most part. Whatever, it's money at the end of the day. You can sell this right away. Just sell it. Send it to Coinbase and sell it. If you haven't watched my video on how to make $100 in minutes, you should go ahead and watch that, because it talks about Coinbase as well, which is one of the platforms that you can actually sell this cryptocurrency. Or if you want to, you can keep that cryptocurrency and see if it gains value. But the last thing you can also do, right, is if you come over here to Brave Rewards, is there's like a tipping mechanism. Matter of fact, let's go to my page right here, Low Key Money, my YouTube, right? So I'm a verified user, and you can see there's a check mark right here because I'm a verified user, and basically you can send me a tip. So those little earnings that you're getting, that passive income, it might be small. Like I showed you over here, my rewards tab, you know, I got like $1.36 this month, and I didn't watch all these advertisements. I personally don't like ads, so I don't always opt in. But I did want to just kind of just try it out so I can show you guys how you can make some income as well. But I could see you making maybe $5, maybe even $10 a month, possibly, just by viewing advertisements. And obviously this is going to grow over time because they're still kind of in like their early phases of using this browser. So let's go back over here to YouTube. This is my banner right here. It says reward your boy, thanks so much for checking out my content, yada yada yada. And then you can actually go ahead and tip either 1 basic attention token, 5 or 10. I have 3 right now, so I could tip myself 1 if I wanted to, but that's not really what this is about. If you guys do use Brave, you wanted to tip me, feel free to just go to my channel. It's very simple, guys. Like I said, this is not passive income. The only thing that I would like to say, this is passive income, excuse me. The only thing that I would like to say that's kind of frustrating is signing up for Uphold. This is where you're gonna be like cashing out your cryptocurrency, sending it to, you know, your wallet or whatever the case might be. You can see I just sent 2 days ago 47 basic attention token. You know, I haven't been getting that much, but whatever, that's over $10 right now, so that's completely fine with me. I'm happy to have it. You know what I'm saying? This is the only thing that's kind of a hassle. You do got to go through like these authenticator apps, and I think you might even have to do KYC, which is like uploading your ID and stuff, but that's because you're dealing with actual money here, guys. There's a lot of regulations and stuff going around this, so you definitely want to just, you know, follow the instructions. It's really not hard. It's just kind of annoying, especially when you're not making that much money off of this. But at the end of the day, you can make money multiple ways. It's not just earning by viewing advertisements, but you can also get referrals. Now, I got over 20 people to download this web browser by running an advertisement that I'm about to let play right after this video, so in about a minute or so. And I don't really have much subscribers. You can see I have 946 subscribers right now. So guys, first and foremost, support the channel. You know, I thank you guys for watching my videos and stuff. So if you want to subscribe and support the channel, I'd highly appreciate it. But also just the simple fact that I don't have that many subscribers, and I was able to get 21 people to download the web browser through referrals is pretty amazing. Now you can see 7 people actually went ahead and installed it, which I'm not really, you know, I guess whatever, you downloaded it, you got it, and then you didn't install it. That doesn't make no sense to me, but I guess to each his own. And then 3 people confirmed, and that just means that you actually have to use this for like 20 or 30 days, or the person that downloads from your referral link has to use it for like 20 or 30 days in order for you to get rewarded. And I make like $6 or $7 every time. I think it's somewhere, it could go even less than that depending on the region, but that's what I've been getting on a regular basis. So I have gotten a couple of bucks from this thing, you know, tens of dollars from this platform just by using it as a regular web browser. I got all my plugins that work with Chrome. I got all of my bookmarks, things of that nature. So, you know, and on top of that, they're just blocking all of these crazy advertisements and trackers. Like trackers, that's what really kills me. All of these trackers right here, man. And not to mention, like, it's just a nice browser. I even got it on my mobile, on my phone. So I think you guys should check it out. This thing is actually created by the person that created JavaScript. So there's definitely some big names behind this, I would guess, you know, some experience in the game, some skin in the game, some people that actually have an understanding of web browsers and coding and things of that nature, because it's also the co-founder of Mozilla. If you know about Mozilla and Firefox, that was like another browser as well. So there's definitely some experience here as well. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys. So this advertisement that I'm about to play for you, this commercial, is something I personally made, and it definitely got me over 20 downloads, like you guys can see, and we're gonna get straight into it. So it's your boy Low Key. I will catch you on the next vid. I'm out of here. Peace. Download Brave browser. Whether desktop or mobile, browse the web up to 8 times faster than Chrome or Safari. It comes with a built-in ad blocker to prevent you from using the data you pay for to download unwanted ads. It also blocks trackers and comes with a built-in Tor browser option. Last but not least, earn basic attention token, hodl them, or reward your favorite content creators. Download Brave browser today using the link in the description.